All right, the drink we're about to make is called Crazy Nun. All right, go ahead and fill up your rocks glass with ice. And we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of tequila. And follow that up with 1.5 ounces of anisette. Just 1.5. Now, you don't have to do that much alcohol. You're just going to do equal parts of the anisette and the tequila. Now, if you want to mix those together, take your little shaker. Just give it a couple of shakes, just enough to blend the two. And we will garnish that with a lime peel. There we go. And twist it in there. Add a straw. And you have yourself a Crazy Nun, not to be confused with the Flying Nun, which is kind of crazy in itself. Bottoms up.